Rachid from Morocco is saying, hey Sham, I have a restaurant. What is the one advice you can give me right now if we wanted to take my restaurant to the next level? And we're going to address that in 3, 2, 1. And here we go. Hello everybody, my name is Sham, known in the community as a responsible restaurant owner. Since 2008, I've been opening and running restaurants, catering companies, juice bars, vegan cafes out of the Silicon Valley, California. And toward the end of 2017, I said, you know what, why don't I go out there and reach out to other restaurant owners and future restaurant entrepreneurs? Rachid from Morocco, thank you so much for reaching out. What is the one advice I will give to people that currently have a restaurant? Start collecting the email addresses of every single person that steps inside your establishment. It is amazing that you have a brick and mortar, Rachid. You're so lucky. When people come in toward the end of their experience, do have a card that has name, dates of birth, comments, do you do catering, and start collecting the database of information right now. And that is my advice for today. Rachid, thank you so much for reaching out. Once again, this was Sham, the responsible restaurant owner. Please make a comment, please do subscribe, and until we meet again, remember the secret ingredient is love, baby. It's love.